Hello everyone, my name is Artur Sierocki, I'm from Poland. I'm working on daily basis as a clairvoyant and healer. I help many people from different countries. I still practicing my language because spirituality is different space and we need to learn a lot about the different words, possibilities, how to explain the matter of the universe, metaphysics, parapsychology, energy, and multidimensional working with this energy. So, if you want to watch my TikTok channel, I will offer you free videos with practicing with my knowledge, free workshops, only in few minutes because TikTok is working like that. But on my YouTube channel, Artur Sierocki, The Clock of Life, you can find more videos in full time, even sometimes 20, 30 on 1 hour. But in TikTok, I will try to record short movies, ideas, sharing of my experience. And what I want to tell you is that I starting to working with energy since I finished maybe when I was 12 years old or 13 years old. I starting meditate, practicing, feeling people, feeling mind, reading the energy around me, connecting with the spirituality guidance. So I have my own company, Zegar Życia, The Clock of Life in Poland, and I trying to do the research about paranormal activities. I'm working as a clairvoyant and also as a healer, so I'm helping people with different diseases, with different type of situation in their life. I try to tell them something about the future. I have visions, I have my readings. I can do the diagnostics by using my metaphysical power and abilities, give people advices. So I invite you to subscribe my channel and see what I can share with you from Poland. Have a great day.